Animal sounds are sounds produced by animals as a means of communication of the same type or as a warning sign for other types. Animal sounds can vary from many types of sounds, including sighs, rattling sounds, breathing sounds, croaking sounds, barking sounds, roaring sounds, howling sounds, and so on. Many factors influence an animal's voice, including body size, body shape, and its living environment. For example, larger animals tend to produce deeper sounds, while smaller animals tend to produce lighter sounds. Some animals, such as birds, often have a wider range of voices than others. Animal sounds can also provide information about animal behavior, such as location, social status, and readiness to breed. Some animals, such as birds, can imitate the sounds of other animals or even human voices. To understand animal sounds, biologists often conduct field studies and carry out acoustic analyses of recorded animal sounds. By understanding animal sounds, we can better understand animal behavior and help identify different species. Some examples of animal sounds that are often known are dog barking sound. Dogs make a distinctive barking sound as a warning signal or when feeling threatened. Lions roar. The lion makes a very loud and thunderous roar as a sign of dominance and courage. Wolf howling. Wolves make a beautiful sounding howl and are often used to contact other members of their pack or to mark their territory. The sound of birds singing. Birds have a variety of beautiful and unique singing sounds, which are usually used to attract the attention of a partner or to indicate presence to other group members. Cat moaning sound. Cats make a distinctive cooing sound when excited or satisfied, or as a sign of discomfort and anxiety. In addition, there are many more animal sounds that can be recognized and learned. It is important to remember that animal sounds can vary depending on environmental conditions, emotional states, and the purpose of communication. So to fully understand animal sounds requires more in-depth observation and analysis.